Good morning. So this is what I love the most since we moved to live outside the city. Today it is snowing. It was snowing all the night and it is so amazing to be outside. Ah, little Tishi. Ciao. We're going to look for some small mountains, hills. Can you hear? It's absolutely silent. Just us and the forest. Amazing. So far we have walked around 3 kilometers, I think, maybe 4. I think it's about 2 miles. And finally we came to a little mountain. As you know, the fact that Latvia is absolutely flat, and the highest mountain we have is, if I'm sure, it's Geisinch, and it's like 300 something meters or 400 meters maximum. I think 300 something. So, whew, so we got here. You cannot even see that it's a mountain, but it is there. Mums gan ir super ātrums. It's a super speed. But not all days are so awesome. Most of the winter is quite dark and depressive, but one of the things we love to do is to watch birds. So we decided we're gonna make our own bird feeder. You can also try. We just found what we had home. We had an orange, and look what we made. It's kind of cool. Let's see, will the birds like it?